Don't say. Very hungry. Say. Starving.
I'm starving.
She's starving.
I'm starving, I'm so starving, I'm so starving.
Don't say. Very thirsty. Say. Parched.
I'm so parched.
Don't say. Very happy. Say. Ecstatic.
Brad's ecstatic.
Yeah, I'm ecstatic.
Don't say. Very rainy. Say. Pouring.
Pouring rain.
When it rains, it pours.
Don't say. Very shy. Say. Timid.
She's timid. I'm a great advocate for timidity.
Timid librarian.
Keep. Preserve. Choose. Select. Ask. Inquire. Ask for. Request. End. Terminate. Try. Endeavor. Squeeze. Ring. Press. Crush. Squash. Crumple. Snap. Stir. Pat. Plus. Minus. Multiply. Divide. Equality. Inequality. Less than. Greater than. Square root. Percentage.